Hey guys, printing a receipt on Walmart is pretty easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you can print a receipt using the Walmart website. Since the Walmart app isn't available in my country, I'll be using the web version instead. But if you have Walmart app, just use that. So first, go to the Walmart website or Walmart app and log into your account. So next, click on the top left corner where it says Hi and your name. This will open your account menu. So from there, scroll down and click on Purchase History. You should see a list of all the orders you've made. So click on the order you want to get the receipt for. So once it's open, you'll see the option to view or download your receipt. So to print it, just save the receipt to your computer, open the file, press Ctrl+P, and the print window will pop up. Click print and that's it. Your receipt will be printed. Thanks for watching.